Exporting customers using RetailManager Multistore Explorer. RetailManager Multistore is designed to help you export and analyze key business data, such as customer information from one or multiple stores. You can export reports either store by store or as a consolidated view, all stores combined, ready for filtering and analysis in Excel. AAAPOS continues to enhance RetailManager Multistore with new features. If you have suggestions or feature requests, we'd love to hear from you. Accessing Multistore Explorer. Log into the AAAPOS Web Store Manager. Navigate to Manage, Explorer, Multistore. You will see three main categories: Customers, Inventory, and Sales Summary. Exporting customer data. Step-by-step instructions. Select Customers from the menu, then click Refresh to load the latest customer data across all stores. A list of your stores will appear on screen. You can now drag and sort fields, for example, sort by store name, customer name, etc., and rearrange columns to suit your preferred layout. To download customer data, you have two options. Single store export. Highlight the store, then click Download. Consolidated export, all stores. Click Download Consolidate, then choose either Download Selected Customers or Download All. A download will begin, and a pop-up box will ask you to choose a save location. Select your desired folder and click OK. Once the download completes, the folder will automatically open so you can access your file. Understanding the exported report. When you open the Excel file, you will see multiple tabs. All customers. A full list of all customers exported. Customers with valid mobile numbers. Perfect for sending SMS or email campaigns for upcoming sales or promotions. Customers with invalid mobile numbers. Use this list to clean your data. Contact customers via email or landline to update their mobile details. Tabs by month, year created. These tabs group customers by the month and year they were added to the system. Ideal for targeting new customers with welcome messages or first-time offers. Tips and recommendations. Use Excel filters to sort and analyze your customer data easily, for example, filter by store, mobile validity, or creation date. Make regular exports to keep your customer list up to date for marketing and data quality purposes.